National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Carroll County and north central Maryland, northwestern Baltimore County and northern Maryland until 3:45 p.m. At 3:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Taneytown, 9 miles east of Emmitsburg, and was moving east at 25 miles per hour. This storm is capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Manchester, Hempstead. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging wind gusts and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Move indoors to a sturdy building and stay away from windows.
And listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial